I think it's really hard when you're used to feeling strong and in shape, and then that's taken away from you. I ran a 10K for a charity with my friend. I finished the race, I was feeling really great, and then I started getting slight hip pain, and then it didn't stop for 7 months, and it just kept getting worse and worse and worse. And then I stopped running for maybe 3 weeks after because the pain was so intense. It wasn't getting better, and it was just so long. It was like 6.5 months of constant pain. So I had to just give it up. When I was injured, I wasn't able to sleep on my left side. I wasn't able to even walk maybe a half a mile or more without any sort of pain. We did an initial assessment and came up with like a tentative plan. The first week I felt like a big shift in the pain. It was just a lot less, and I felt like I could move around in a way without pain that I had not felt in a long time. So I did dry needling, which I did not know was a thing. It releases deep tension. It's crazy. I feel like it was immediately better, which was a little challenging for me because I was like, I'm fine, everything's fine now, which is not the case. The anxiety of not knowing how far to push myself, when this will get better, how I'm going to get better, really negatively impacted my life. The physical therapist was really good about being like, listen, you still need to take it easy. Like, we talked about how I should like start running again, and like I need to go slowly. I need to do like more days for less time rather than jumping back into it, which was really helpful for me for like guidance. So now I'm able to run 4 days a week, and I'm weightlifting 3 days a week, and just like living my life without pain. My sleep is so much better. I'm able to sleep on my left side. Being able to sleep well just like cascades into the rest of my life. I feel like is back to a point where like I don't remember it being like this, and it's great. When you walk in and people are so kind, people that do the scheduling, the physical therapists themselves, like all the assistants, they are so welcoming and kind and thorough. And it felt very genuine that they want to make sure that you're doing what you need to do. You're an adult, you do what you want, but like, here are all the exercises, let's go through and make sure. It was like very thorough and very competent, and everyone was so kind.